Hi guys, welcome back to the Kerbal Space Program series. Today we're going to be trying to send a satellite to the orbit of the moon. So I'm going to start building the satellite that's going to orbit the moon. We might send two up or one. So we're going to put the cheap satellite because I don't want to use all my funds. Actually, I'm going to use a bigger satellite so I can put more science on it. Yeah. Look, I'm going to use this one because then I don't have to add batteries, or I don't have to add a lot because it has 600 electric charge. I'm going to add this on it so that later on it can act as a relay. I'm going to put maybe that's two. I'm going to put 2 solar panels of these, full charge. Wait, fully depleted. Okay, so now that we have the base of our core, the base of our satellite, why'd I say core? We're gonna add our science so that we get science from going to the moon, and we can continue building our what's it called? Space program. So, oh wait, bruh, it mirrored everything. So, see, now it's not mirrored, hopefully. Yeah, it's not mirrored. And then we're gonna put more science on this side. Yeah. So we're gonna put this science experiment. Actually, probably gonna add these ones instead. Perfect. I'm gonna spin it. Yeah, I'm gonna spin it around. Oh wait, no, that's not what I meant. Yeah, should deploy nicely. Yep, like I wanted. Then gamma ray spectrometer. Okay, so gravimetric spectrometer. Let's see how this okay, good. What should I name this? Hold up. I'm thinking. I'm just gonna name it once again, if you guys have any names for the spacecraft, you can put it in the comments if you want, because it'd be really like you guys can have your name for the spacecraft, and then it can go on the spacecraft, and yeah, like so let's put a fairing on it. I think Atlas is the second one. Yeah, that one. So we're gonna get some fuel tanks. Like, no, not that one. This one. And this one. Gonna put this here. Oh wait. Auto deploy at 65. Then, wait, do we have a more efficient engine? Yeah, I think this is the most efficient one we have. Oh wait, vacuum. Maybe we need. So, we're gonna save this for now. Then we're gonna put this fuel tank on. Oops, hold up. Let me put the solar panels back there. Boop. Let's remove this. Yeah, let's add this. Oh, actually, maybe I could use a solid rocket fuel booster. Like an SIB. Would this give us more? No. So I'm gonna use this. Let's check. Okay. So we still have some parts left. And so we have some wiggle room to add more stuff to the rocket so that it can get into the moon's orbit. And then we're gonna wait, that's not the same width. So maybe I could just use. Yeah, that would be too heavy. Actually, maybe I can just add more. Like maybe I can just add on some. Could probably use a swivel. Oh, it's too tall. So, can I shorten it like that? No, I can't. So it has to be actually shortened. Let's check the. Oh. Yeah, I guess I'll just remove this then. Actually, I don't know if I can get to the moon. Do I have enough to upgrade the facility? So that's still not enough, though. Yeah. I'm gonna save this, then I'm gonna see if I can upgrade the facility. Oh, and we're here. No, I cannot upgrade it, sadly. Oh wait, no. I just have to upgrade the launch pad. That would cost a lot. How much is our rocket? So I'm gonna 20,000. Okay. I would have just enough to upgrade the launch pad, and then I'd still have money. We're probably gonna have to do a few missions later on in this video or another video. Is there any moon missions? No, there is not. Though we could probably do some of those missions after we get to the moon. Yeah, let's see if we have enough money to... This is way more cheap. Like, this is way cheaper. So we could add this, and then we could add some smaller boosters. Do we have the... No, we don't. Okay, I'll just add some side fuel tanks then. Because... Actually, hold up. Oh wait, yeah, so this wouldn't be able to take... Well, it'd barely be able to take off. See the thrust to weight ratio? So if it's below 1, then... So if it's... I'd say if it's below 1.0 well, yeah, 1.01%, then it wouldn't be able to take off the planet's surface, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe it's like 1% can't. It's something like that. So I'm gonna... Oh, actually, I'll just add it on this side. Yeah. So we'll add the torch, which I'm pretty sure is an actual part in the base game. Maybe it's not. We could add like a circular... Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, too many parts. So we could take that off. Oh, still too many parts. Yeah, I'll take off like a science experiment then. So 4,000, and then it goes to... Actually, I'll take this off. How many parts? Okay. So we could add a stage here. Oh wait, no. That cost us one extra part. I'll get rid of those science experiments. Because if this thing can't get to the moon, then what's the point of the science experiments? You know? Wait, where's the long fuel tanks? Oh, it's these. So we could add this, then I could add a maybe a torch, and then vacuum. Yeah, that would do it. Oh wait, we have wait, how many more parts do we have? So 2 more. So we could add 1 more fuel tank. Maybe like a smaller one so the first stage can take off. Yeah, so we do that. Then we can add a decoupler. And then I get... Oh, wait. Oh, that's bad. Okay. You know what? Let's just send it up normally, like this. Hopefully, and like, let's hope that this has enough. Oh wait, actually, hold up. Yeah, we could just... Yeah, and then that'd give us a lot more. I mean, I could do it, like I could add a little bit more. Oh yeah, but that's too many parts. Perfect. Let's hope that this can get to the moon, or at least high Earth orbit. If this can get to high Earth orbit, then this would be good. Let's hope though that the design's aerodynamic enough and it doesn't like tip over when I try to go for the gravity turn. And we are on the landing pad. What am I using? Oh, Astronomer's Visual Pack. Okay. So, should be good. So, yeah. Oh wait, I forgot that I didn't upgrade. The only station I upgraded was the launch pad. Hopefully this can make it to the moon. Let's see and launch this. I usually like to start my gravity turns after accidents. Oh, there's a vapor close to space. We only have like around 25 kilometers to go. So we have 5 more kilometers till we get to space. Maybe this rocket can actually make it. Hopefully it can. I mean, I'll be happy with a flyby as long as it doesn't eject us out of the Kerbal system. I mean, if it does, then we could also get science from that. But it'd be better because our station, like, it doesn't have a super powerful antenna, so it'd be better if it got into like high orbit of Kerbin. So yeah, like it'd be better if we didn't get ejected out of the Kerbin system. I'm gonna wait a bit because we're still in the atmosphere. Yeah, now I'm gonna deploy it. And we are deploying our solar panels. So, oh, actually, hopefully we can at least get a slingshot around the moon. By the way, you can use time warps when you're in space to stop your ship from moving. Yeah, I'm gonna start burning. So, we are getting in orbit. And we have an orbit. So, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the burn to get a capture, like to get into the sphere of info, like just get captured into the moon's gravity. So right there should be fine. And we're gonna be, so I'm gonna time warp. Yeah, right now we should get it. It kind of lags when I get captured by a object though sometimes. So hopefully, yep, we're in. See, my game kind of freezes. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna try pointing towards retrograde. If you didn't know, you could hold Alt and then you could press the time warp button to get physics time warp when you're in space, which I didn't know that for a long time, and it's useful. We might actually be able to circularize. Like we might be able to get around orbit. And we start burning. Oh, yep, we got an orbit. Let's go! So, I'm gonna jettison our satellite So now our satellite is just free floating. Yeah, I'm gonna time warp right here. See, now we can see the moon. And then I'm just gonna angle the satellite to face the sun so that we can get optimal energy. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. And now we will begin logging. Like, we will begin our science. Transmit. This rocket was only 20,000 funds though. Telemetry. I think telemetry reports are added by a mod. I'm not sure though. I haven't played the game without mods in a super long time. Like probably like 2 years or more. And we have all of the science. So let's go back to the Space Center. And we're gonna see how much science we got. So we got 66 science from that, which is really good. Because we can buy either advanced rocketry or maybe general construction. I'm gonna do advanced rocketry though, because it gives us, see, it gives us the Terrier. If you're not playing with Restock, then it won't look like this, but the Terrier is pretty efficient for space. And it looks like we actually gained money from that, I'm pretty sure. Like, than we started out with, because, well, not started out with, like that we had after we upgraded the launch pad. We had, I think, 27,000, and now we have 60,000. Well, I'd say that ends the video. I hope you guys enjoyed.